How to buy Orbit token. This token came under the symbol of grifts, as you can see. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Sorry guys. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the Direct accounts and keep following the updates about this token. But most important, go there and engage with their community. As you can see, they have a big community there. Now, to be able to buy this token, open it on CoinGisco. After that, you will see this information about this token. Just copy the token address from here. It's under this Solana network. Open your Phantom wallet or any wallet that you use. Click on swap. Now make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Click here and paste the token address, as you can see. So this is it, but I suggest to use the Phantom wallet for that. So because the most token that came under this Solana network, it's easy to buy them with the Phantom wallets. Now here, type how much you want to buy, wait a few seconds, and as you can see, how much you receive. After that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information. After that, click on swap and you will be redirected to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you find any issues, just go back to this page, switch the flip patch from here or custom it, and after that you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Orbit token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.